Missed a flight in Navan? You're not alone, but don't panic. In this video, I'll explain how to handle a missed flight in Navan, using their advanced software to make the process as smooth as possible. Stick around till the end to get an exclusive extended free trial. First, let's address the issue. When you miss a flight, the stress can pile up quickly. Whether you're running behind or facing delays beyond your control, Navan's software is a game changer. It's designed to streamline the process, minimize frustration, and get you back on track as quickly as possible. Navan helps you quickly rebook your flight with minimal hassle. The software's real-time updates ensure you get notified of new options as soon as they're available, saving you time and energy. This is critical when you miss a flight because the sooner you can get back on track, the better. Beyond just rebooking, Navan also lets you manage your travel in one place. You'll have all your itineraries, booking details, and updates in one easy-to-use dashboard. No more digging through emails or tracking down receipts. Everything is in front of you, but it doesn't stop there. If your missed flight leads to any disruptions, Navan's tools can help you manage your travel costs. They allow you to track refunds, handle compensation claims, and even monitor travel insurance claims, which could be a lifesaver. You can also make the process even easier by connecting with support directly through the app. Whether you need help rebooking or getting compensation, Navan has a dedicated team ready to assist, and they can handle everything from customer service inquiries to logistical support. In addition, for those looking for a seamless travel experience, Navan integrates with other services, ensuring you can coordinate ground transportation and hotel bookings with your flight plans. So, even if your missed flight means delays, you're still covered for the rest of your trip. And don't forget, Navan's system learns from your preferences. Over time, it will recommend options based on your previous choices, saving you time when handling future travel disruptions. If you're new to this software, I highly recommend diving into the tools it offers. Whether you need to rebook quickly, manage your itinerary, or handle post-flight disruptions, Navan is built for the job. Here's the exciting part. You can use Navan completely free with our exclusive bonuses. The link below gives you access to this software and an extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. Make sure to grab it while it's available. Remember, handling missed flights doesn't have to be a nightmare. With Navan, it's all in one place, with the tools and support you need to get back on your feet quickly. Check out the first link below to start using it today and take advantage of the extended free trial.